Hi guys! How many of you travelers like to explore on a bike? Well, I sure do. Now let's have some fun decorating and putting up some accessories on my bike together. Okay, let's put the bike down first. I love this bike rack, by the way. It's so easy to move it from room to room and from apartment to outside. It's awesome. I'll make another video on it and we'll show you how easy it is to put together. But for now, let's do what we are here to do. Take it off. Alright, let's grab the first item. So this little bag goes right in front. This is cool. So first we will attach this little thing. Oh, this is so cute. So the phone goes here and you can touch your phone through this plastic. I already tried it, it works. I won't be able to show it with my phone at the moment because I'm using my phone to record, but I will try using maybe somebody else's phone, but believe me, it works. So you can put your key here, any small items that you have. It's very handy, but the best part that you can put your phone here. All right, so the way you do it, around inside this little buckle and Velcro, and on this side the little buckle. Oops. And again Velcro, and the last part going around through the little buckle. And ta-da! Okay, next. Oh, look at that. So there's one screw that you just open. Perfect. So let's just tie it. Perfect. Next we have this little bag. So you have compartment here to put your things in. It's a little bigger, and this is for water bottle. And again, Velcro, so very easy. Let's attach it. There you go. And this is for the water. Looks great. And next I have this reflective tape. Okay, I have to bring the rest of the fun inside because it was a little hard to do all this outside. And this way I have something to sit on. Okay. I think I will do one right here. Yeah, that looks fun. And then another one down there. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, next I think I want to put some here. Let's do this. Oh, it's actually really easy to do. I just hope it stays. I mean, it feels pretty sticky, so I think it should work. And just making sure it's in the center. Curving it, don't move, bike, and stop. That looks cool. Now I want to make 2 circles around here. I think that will be kind of cute. Let's see. 1. Okay, and cut. Perfect. And 1 below. So that goes on both sides of the logo. And I think I want to put something on here. Yes, so I will make the lines about this length. Now make sure they're all the same. Okay, let's do this. Oops. And I want it to kind of curve with the bike. Okay. I will leave a little space in between. You can use a ruler, measurement tape, or you can kind of use your eyes to measure. So I'll leave a little distance. Perfect. Let's curve it a little bit more. Great. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I can always add some if I feel like it. This is what I have. I think it looks cute. And I did the exact same thing on the other side. There you go. Now I want to show you how things fit in there. So let me just throw some keys in here. And look, still plenty of space. And also I found my old phone, so I can just show you. So phone goes here. And there you go. And you can just use your phone. And for the other one, so I put the water bottle in easily. And here So I'm putting my wallet and still plenty of space. Perfect. So next we will go on adventures on the bike and we'll see how many creatures we can find on the way next week.